What is up, guys? It's dark as piss, and I know you probably can't see me because it's like dark out and shit, but I'm going to pick up the tanks, or the tank, not plural, just one tank for the fucking Rebel, and then both the front and rear fender, and because they're done getting sandblasted, so yeah. Alright, so there's the tank, here's the fenders. It's fucking dark, so I'll give you a better look at them once I get home. Okay, so got the shit in here now. There's the fenders, here's the tank. I ran out of that plastic drop cloth stuff when I was painting everything else, so I just got a cardboard box all cut up. It's pretty cold in here, but I think I'll be alright with the primer. I'm hoping, fingers crossed. I'm only going to spray the bottoms of them real quick. Wait like 5 minutes, do another coat. I'm going to eat dinner, and then the room should be heated up. Yeah, and then I'm going to flip them over, do primer on the other side. I'll probably do 2 coats on the bottoms and the top. And then after that, I will reveal the color. So you'll get to see the color. I'm probably going to paint everything tonight, hopefully get it all done. And then this will be the end of the Budget Bobber Build video series, because when all the other stuff comes in, I'll just put it on like one step at a time, like as I go, as it comes in, instead of doing like waiting for it all to come in and doing like one big video. So this will probably be the last video for the Budget Bobber Build series, but there will be other videos on the Rebel. So yeah, I'm gonna spray this shit. So yeah. Alright, so I got 2 coats of primer on the bottoms of everything. So now I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over and spray the tops of them. Alright, so the primer is now dry, and flipped everything back over, and I'm going to go ahead and spray the base coat. And if you guys been wondering what the color I was going with, bam! It's like a light, oh shit, it looks real light in that picture. It's a light flat OD green. I'm going to go like World War II bobber with this, but you probably already seen that if you're like subscribed to the Instagram, because I already got a picture up before this video is uploaded. So if you want to stay tuned on everything else and learn tricks and whatnot with these builds, go ahead and subscribe and follow me on Snapchat. So what I'm going to do now is spray a light coat, come back, do 2 more like pretty light coats until everything's covered, and then flip them over, do the same thing on the top, and then I'll spray my clear here in a little bit. So yeah. Alright, so the green is pretty much dry, and I'm going to go ahead and start laying some clear down. This is a flat clear, so hopefully it kind of looks like that once it's on. I just want to kind of protect it a little bit better. So I'm going to go and start spraying this, and hopefully she turns out good. I'm going to do, I don't know, a lot of light coats, and then once the top's dry, I'll flip it over and spray some on the bottom. So we'll see how this goes. Alright, so got last coat of clear on the bottoms of all this shit. The top's already done. I'm just kind of waiting for that to dry, and I think I'm just going to leave it like this overnight, but I don't want to flip it over and fuck it up, so I'm just going to be patient and leave it. But everything looks pretty good. As you can see, it's still kind of wet right now because I just sprayed that other one, but it will look a lot flatter and less shiny. There's like a fucking hair in here. It's going to piss me off. Gotta get this bastard out of here. Alright. So, yep, that's it. When it's all dry tomorrow, I'll set everything back on there. And I might even put the tank and shit back on. And you can kind of see what she's going to look like. It's just not going to have a seat, and it'll have different handlebars and lights and all that shit. But, yeah, so tomorrow I will be showing you kind of what she's going to look like. So stay tuned for that. Alright, so this is what it looks like just with the stuff sitting on there. I got like the rear fender like kind of just like on there. The tank is just sitting on there, and the rear fender is just obviously sitting on there. But this is what she looks like with the painted green shit on it. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I gotta order all like the handlebars and all that other stuff, which I already told everyone about, and I still gotta figure out. I gotta get a spacer for the shocks and just little stuff like that. So I'm gonna order that stuff tonight. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with the air filter and whatnot. But this is where I'm gonna end this one. This is gonna be the end of the budget bobber build series. So if you just came across this video and you want to check out the other ones, go back to my channel and check them out. And then if I get time, I'll put all the links to them down below. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this shit. Hit me up on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, all that shit will be in the description or at the whatever outro clip tape thing. But yeah, here she is. This is the old Rebel Bobber. It don't even look the same. I'll have a video once it's all done and completely finished of before and after. So if you want to stay tuned for that, go ahead and subscribe. Till next time, I'm out.